Hello guys, today I will review the super fast and super best 5 keyboard in Amazon. Okay, let's go. And this is it, Red Dragon, a mechanical gaming keyboard. The price 27% offer running now. Okay, and you can see the size 1 and 2 size, and yeah, color is available 1 and 2. Okay, and you can see the brand and other information, and the most important part about this item, and you can see the others features. Okay, and product information is here. All right, and you can see the more picture is available, how can use this picture keyboard. Okay, and you can see the demo video and what in the box. Customer reviews is here, and 4.3 out of 5 rating. All right, and you can see the all customer reviews, lot of reviews is here, you can check out. Okay, let's go. The Ola 575 for wireless mechanical keyboard, and you can see the price, and 14% offer is running now, and color is available 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can see the brand and other information and about this item. Okay, and yeah, the product highlighting how what is every features is input the picture. Okay, all right, and demo video is here, and product information, and yeah, and the customer rating is 4.7 out of 5. You can see all reviews ratings. All right, and customer reviews is here, lot of reviews is input, and you can check out. Okay, let's go the next. This is FX3 TKL Equal RAGB gaming keyboard. Okay, and you can see the all color 1 2 3 and 4, awesome color. Okay, and size is available 1 2 and 3 size is available. Okay, style is 1 and 2 style is available. All right, the brand is here, and other features you can see it. Okay, and about this item. All right, and the video. Oh no, this picture, right? Yeah, picture. Oh, nice. You can see, get some ideas. You can see. All right, and another product information is here, and demo video. All right, reasonable, yeah, and this is the rating, and 4.6 out of 5 rating, and you can see the lot of I bought this for my, and very nice, great product, I love. Okay, you can see the lot of reviews is here. Okay, let's go the next. Uh, Amazon basis ultra premium wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Okay, and you can see the price, and the brand is available, and color only black color is available. And about this item. Okay, and product information, I think warranty and support, everything is here, and you can see the demo video. All right, and out of 5. Okay, and 1 star rating is 14%. I think this is not very good. Okay. So, and this is customer reviews is here. A lot of customer reviews, and you can check out. Okay. Okay. Let's go the next. Camera SK80 5% keyboard with color multimedia. Display mechanical gaming mode. Okay. And you can see the price and 5% offer is running now. And color is available 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Color is available and brand. You can see all information and about this item. All right. And demo video is here. And yeah, another product information, warranty and support. Everything is here. All right. And the customer rating is 4.7 out of 5 customer rating. And you can see the lot of reviews. I think maximum reviews is positive. Okay, you can check out. Okay. All right. I think now you can make the right decision about buying the product. If you have both and desire the both budget to buy the product, then the link to the product is give in the video description. You can buy the product from there. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can easily find out about new product for your need. Have a good day. Good luck. Bye bye.